joining me here. You are looking handsome right now. My first question was like I was seeing the whole thing happening here. There were 12 women here, so many conflicts, and you were easily, just maneuvering all of that. Can we call you the Rohit Shetty of web shows now?
You can call me the Varun Sood of reality Ranis now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But there might be some comparison between Khato Khiladi and your show.
I think it's a very different show. Khatro Ke Khiladi is about stunts. This show is about survival in the jungle. The fact that these 12 women were not sent back to the hotel for like taking a shower or eating good food in Khatro Ke Khiladi, because I've done it. It's a very nice life. Like you're in Cape Town, you're in a great hotel, you're eating very good food. और stunts भी मतलब वैसे exciting थे. यहाँ पर आपको I don't think मज़ा आ रहा था इनको करने में. They were eating raw meat. They were sometimes जंगल में बारिश हो गई तो और ऊपर छत नहीं है. So they were in that rain. Their clothes were getting wet for 2 to 3 days. They were like that. If they had to travel, they had to literally trek from one place to the other. So nothing like this has ever happened on reality television on India. So I just feel like comparison लोग कर रहे होंगे, पर जब लोग देखेंगे तो उनको कुछ अलग ही मिलने वाला है.
कॉन्फ्रेंस कैसे हैंडल किया? बिकॉज ट्रेलर में देखा कि काफ़ी लड़ाइयाँ चल रही हैं.
आई थिंक एक रियलिटी शो के होस्ट को एक इम्पॉर्टेंट बात समझनी पड़ना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि कॉन्फ्लिक्ट उनके बीच में है और मेरा काम है कि मैं शो को आगे बढ़ाऊँ. राइट, इफ द थिंग्स आर गेटिंग वेरी आउट ऑफ हैंड देन आई गेट इन्वॉल्व. बट इफ समबडी वांट्स टू टॉक इट आउट अमंग्स देमसेल्व्स एंड हैव अ फाइट और सॉर्ट अ फाइट, तो वो उनके ऊपर है. एज अ होस्ट माई जॉब इज़ टू curate the show and make the show go forward. And I think I was being very fair with that. I was being fair in the moment where they were having fights, and I was letting it happen until they came to a conclusion. If it went very out of hands, then I put a stop to it.
किसी ने कहा था प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में कि यू ऑल्सो परफॉर्म द टास्क विद देम. दैट्स द साइन ऑफ गुड होस्ट आई वुड से. बट क्यों ऐसा, मतलब आपने भी क्यों किया?
क्या होता है ना कि ये मैं हमेशा सोचता था एज अ कंटेस्टेंट कि उस टाइम पे जब नहीं हो रहा होता ना और कोई आपको करके दिखाता है तो आपके अंदर एक अलग मोटिवेशन आती है. जो मेरे साथ हुआ था व्हेन आई वाज अ कंटेस्टेंट ऑन रोडीज़, तो एक टाइम पे मुझसे कुछ चीज़ें नहीं हो पाती थी तो रन भाई टू कम एंड जॉइन मी, तो वो एक अलग मोटिवेशन मिलती थी. एंड एवरीथिंग आई हैव लर्नड अबाउट होस्टिंग इज़ फ्रॉम रन भाई. सो आई थिंक व्हेन यू हैव योर होस्ट विद यू पुशिंग यू एंड डूइंग द सेम थिंग विद यू, तो कहीं ना कहीं एक फायर इग्नाइट होती है आपके अंदर.
डू यू टेक एनी इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम समवन?
All my hosting experience and all my hosting tips have come from Ranvijay. I think he's the best host in India that we have, and especially if I talk about fairness, उनसे ज़्यादा fair host आज तक मैंने इंडिया में देखा नहीं है. So I've taken everything that I know about hosting from him.
Any funny anecdotes you can share from the set?
There were times where I used to reach a set much before the contestants came in. I used to look at a stunt, I used to look at a challenge, and I used to be like, यार ये तो नहीं हो पाएगा. तो हमारी काफ़ी डिस्कशन चलती थी बिहाइंड द कैमरास कि यार ये कैसे करेंगे, लड़कियाँ कैसे करेगी, ये तो बहुत मुश्किल है. एंड दीज विमेन यूज्ड टू कम एंड देन जस्ट एस एवरीथिंग. सो इन लड़कियों ने हमको काफ़ी ज़्यादा गलत प्रूव किया है. एंड माई रिस्पेक्ट फॉर विमेन हैज़ गॉन टू अ डिफरेंट लेवल ऑल टुगेदर, क्योंकि आई फील 90% थिंग्स दैट द वुमेन डिड ऑन द शो आई कांट इवन इमेजिन टू डू. सो ये मेरा एनेक्डोट था कि हम लोग सोचते थे कि नहीं हो पाएगा, पर ये लोग आराम से कर जाते थे.
Will we see you hosting more reality shows now?
Well, I hope people accept me as a host also, and I hope people liked what I did and people liked what the contestants did, and inshallah इसका एक और सीजन बना तो बिल्कुल करेंगे.
Any plans for Big Boss for you?
तो होस्टेड नहीं, सलमान भाई होस्टिंग अच्छा कर रहे हो.
Contestant के
नहीं मैं कंटेस्टेंट नहीं बनने वाला वापस कोई भी रियलिटी शो में.
So I've been asking all the female contestants here कि सारी obviously 12 लड़कियाँ थी and you were the only handsome man there, so and they were very happy about that. And अपने tent पे जाके they used to gossip about you. Everyone said that, and there used to be a lot of healthy flirting. Did you feel any kind of special there? Being the only
Yeah, I feel the women didn't really have any option. मैं इकलौता आदमी था वहाँ पर, उनके पास ऑप्शन तो था नहीं. अभी ये जो है इससे काम चलाना पड़ेगा. But all of them were very sweet to me, and my biggest fear was because I'm still like 29 years old. And most of the contestants were either older to me or my age. I just wanted to be accepted by them as a host, and I think they made me feel very comfortable, and that's why I could do my job very well.
How do you look back at your journey now, from being a contestant to now being a host of a similar reality show?
I think to have your own reality show, especially with a show with a channel like Discovery, is a very very special feeling. I've been a contestant in many shows, and now finally I get to be on the other side where I curate a show where I'm involved in how the challenge should happen and what should happen next. I think it's like a full circle of life, and I'm very grateful that it happened.
You know, you have always been a contestant in reality shows. आपने hosting किया, तो did you see the other, like you just said कि दूसरा side देखा, क्या difference था, क्या challenges लगे?
चैलेंजेस मैंने पहले बताया था कि आई जस्ट वांटेड टू बी अ फेयर होस्ट. काफ़ी टाइम ना जब आप रियलिटी शो में एज अ कंटेस्टेंट होते हो एंड आपके साथ कुछ बुरा होता है, यू फील लाइक अरे यार ये होस्ट फेयर नहीं था. सो आई जस्ट वांटेड कि कोई भी कंटेस्टेंट ये ना सोचे कि मैं फेयर नहीं था. एवरीथिंग दैट आई डिड, एवरीथिंग दैट वाज मेड टू हैपन विद देम इन द शो वाज completely fair, and I was involved in it. I wanted everything to be fair, and there was no biasness for anybody. I'm really happy that Bani J and Discovery go with the idea of having fair play throughout, and you'll see no Rani has complained about कि ये fair नहीं हुआ, because it was a very real and fair show, and I'm happy that I stuck to that ideology.
So before going, any message to your fans?
I just want to thank everybody who has watched all my shows this year. It's been a very good year for me, and I'm very happy that the support that I've got from people for all the shows is fantastic. Please love Reality Ranis as much. These 12 women have taken up really difficult challenges and aced it. Give them all the love, give the show all the love. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.